Hello YouTube, the Two Cools 2. I'll show you the snowstorm is going to hit NYC on January 20th during the night and Friday morning, January 21st, 2011. This is not going to be bad as the last storms, but the highest amount of snow should be 6 inches. The minimum is 3. It's not a big snowstorm, but it's still a snowstorm. Alright, so I'm going to show you the weather report for it, and no, pretty much, that's it.
On TV, on your computer, on your phone, the source for weather, the Weather Channel. Now you're local on the 8s.
A winter weather advisory is in effect for our area.
Alright, so
currently in our area, 32 degrees under cloudy skies.
Wind chill's 25, so right now it's about 9:30 and I don't see any snow outside. It looks like it's coming towards us right now. It should be here a couple hours. This is a 3-hour loop, so it doesn't really touch us for another 3 hours.
For tonight, snow heavy at times, low 29. Winds east at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Snow accumulating 3 to 5 inches. And on Friday, morning snow, high 33. Winds west-northwest at 15 to 25 miles per hour. About 1 inch of snow expected. Total storm accumulations 3 to 6 inches. And Friday night, clear skies, low 13. Here's our 7-day outlook.
Alright, so yeah, basically that's it. This might be another storm developing. I do not know. I'll keep you posted if it is. So stay tuned for updates. Bye.